Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So on today's video we are going to be making this hot spicy barbecue chicken at home with your oven. So I have my live chicken. This is not frozen chicken, this is fresh live chicken. It has been cleaned, properly washed with lemon and apple cider vinegar. It has been properly washed, so I am just going to put some holes inside the chicken. This is because I don't have time to marinate it and put it inside the fridge. We are just coming back from work and we need to really eat, okay? And yes, I am going to be doing this very fast, so there's no time for that. So you start with
Swiss.
How much an anchor hang on sweet not a village? God.
So you start by adding just a cube of Maggi. This is paprika, ginger, black pepper, cayenne pepper, all the ingredients you can think of. And this is turmeric. I also have muscal, nutmeg. I added nutmeg also. So I added practically the basic thing inside these ingredients. A lot of it, 80% of these ingredients is actually dried hot paprika, and then you add your salt and then you mix. This is a dry ingredient. You can also do all this fresh if you want, but I'm doing this dry because I really want it dry and crispy. Then you're going to add some olive oil into all this mix and mix it properly, very well, to make sure there are no clumps inside. And you can see how thick it is. Please don't make it watery because we actually want this chicken to dry up very fast and not watery. So taste it for salt and make sure that you get the taste that you want the chicken to be, okay? So if there's anything lacking, you can add. Then you are going to add this into your pot. Make sure that the pot you're going to be using in your oven is oven supported. It's not every pot that you can actually put inside the oven, okay? And secondly, you can use your pan, you can use your baking plate, anything that you use to roast things or cook things or bake things inside your oven, you can use it. So you're going to go in with this spices, just rub it on the chicken. You know that there is not too much water in there, so make sure you get a lot of spices into it. Okay guys, on this video you saw my husband actually inside this video. Yes, and this is the way we live our life. My husband and I leave for work very early in the morning at 4:30, sometimes at 5, and sometimes we leave as early as 4 o'clock. And we leave the house every day together. And once we leave, we come back home together. So we cook together, we do chores together, we share all the work at home. Like, we just came back from work. He's not sitting down because I'm not sitting down. I'm not asking him to do this, okay? It's not by force anyway, but he understands that we just came back from work and we really have to work as a team. So this is how life is here, and we have come a very long way in understanding this. So we don't have any stress in trying to say, okay, I'm a woman, you're a man, you have to do this or you have to do that. No, we have got to that level that we know that the only way we can survive and live long and stay healthy is that if we are able to help each other. So when you finish rubbing all that thing, look at the way the chicken is going to be looking. There is no water, there is no too much of oil, everything is driedly. Now guys, if you like, you can put this inside the freezer, or inside the fridge for a while. Okay, you can leave it, just use some nylon or whatever, or pots, the plates, anything to cover it up. And then I added that inside my oven and I cooked for 20 minutes. Okay, and this was what I got, and I turned it the other side of it for another 10 minutes, and this was what I got at the end. So we are going to be eating this with some coleslaw that I have just made, and this is we are going to have this for dinner, and the rest my husband will take it to work the next day. And if I still have the rest, maybe I'll use it to prepare salad the next day also. Thank you so much for watching, and I know that you love this video. You can try this recipe if you want. Do not forget to comment if you have any question. Do not forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this will come handy for you and your family. Thank you and bye.